So in this video, this is the last video, what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to edit your front page. So all you're going to do is pages, or you can click on pages. Now there's actually three ways that you can edit the front page with Elementor. So I'll show you. We go right click, open a new tab, which will show you the website. We can go edit page, which is one. I think there's 4 ways that we can get to it. Edit page, which will edit the back end of the page, and you have to click on a button, which I'll show you. Or you can click edit with Elementor. That's one way. There's 2 ways, sorry. The other way you can come is go rent my car. There's the front page. You can again edit with Elementor there, or you'll go edit. I'll show you edit. So if you click edit with Elementor, it will just open up Elementor, which is your page builder automatically. If you click edit, what it will do is it will show you the back end of the WordPress page. Okay, and then there's a button that says edit with Elementor. Your website is built with Elementor. Okay, so you will be editing the page within Elementor. I just wanted to show you the different ways to access Elementor. So now Elementor is, for me, one of the best page builders in the world. I've been using it for 5-6 years now. It's never given me any errors. There's been plugin errors, but that's not from Elementor side. That's actually from the plugin that conflicts with Elementor. Okay, so as you can see, this is your website here. Okay, so on the left hand side, this is what we call widgets. So you can add all these different widgets here: YouTube video, buttons, spaces, dividers, icons, maps. You can add all of these items here, countdowns, whatever you want. On the right hand side, here's your navigator. So if we were to click on this one, it'll take you straight the way down to that form, which is highlighted here. If we were to downsize, click on the form. There's your heading, just there. In a section, there's the 1, there's the 2. So what we've got is here, we've got a row with a heading, and then within there, we've got a intersection. So if we were to come back to the widgets, it will look like this. So that's allowed us to have 2 sections and divide that row into 2. If we wanted to duplicate it, we can duplicate it just like that. Now you've got 3. If you see here on the right hand side, you've got 3 columns. All right. So Elementor is beautiful because it really, really is easy to use. So if we were to click here, can't get a car anywhere. You click there, as you can see on the right hand side. You literally just type hello. It will appear on the front page for you. Or what you could do is you could actually click here and type hello right there, and it will appear on your left hand side. Okay. So if we come to this image here, you see that there's an empty column here. What we've done here is we've gone into the row, which is the section. We played around with the width and the max height to get your image set the way it was on the previous site. And we've gone style, and we've gone background, and there's our image here. So we can set and choose this. So we'll just choose a random image. Let's say we'll choose your logo. Okay, so now your logo's there, and we go, oh no, I've made so many other changes. What do? I can't. It's not a problem. You're just going to reload the page. And your image will be there. So you can, what I would do is that the way I tell all my clients is edit a section, then save. Edit a section, save. Because let's say you do something, you're like, oh no, I can't believe what I've just done. Now you can just reload the page, and there you are. The image is there. Okay, so rent my car. Let's click here. There's rent my car. Let's say we want that in red. So you're going to go style, text color, and we'll make it red, just like that. If we want to change the typography, which is here, semi-bold, let's make it black or extra bold, just like that. We can go 94, we can make it bigger, or we could even make it, let's make it 64, just like that. All right, so that is how you'd edit. As you can see, you can use the slider here if you want, just like that. You can go line height, you can go letter spacing. You see, so you can play around word spacing just like that if you want. Okay, so I'm not going to save anything. We're just going to scroll down. So now scroll down here, we've got the next column, but this has got an intersection with 5 columns in. This is just an image. So as you can see, we just click on it and the image will be there, or you can click upload and upload your new images. If we go to the only certified motors, Again, it's the same title as this one here, but we've just got different sizing. As you can see, this is size 17. Let's make it a bit bigger. Now it goes a bit bigger. All right. So again, this is exactly the same. The nice thing is that let's say you've done all these changes on this column. You really like, oh, now I've got to do everything. Right click, copy, right click on the column and go paste style. Sorry, that's not correct. That will paste the column if we want to do the text. So you're going to go text, right click on the text, copy, and paste style there. As you can see, it's bringing everything over. It's not changing the word. It is only bringing the style over, which is red, and we change the font size. That's it. So that's a really handy feature, especially when you're working in sections like this. Okay, again, we come here. This is your heading text, same thing. You type it in. There's the style there. This one here is a text editor. Click on this button here. You've got all of these extra fields. If you click on style, there you go. You've got the fields here. Okay, there's your there's your color, sorry, and here's your typography, just here. This section down below, again, is the same thing. This is a heading. This is a text field. Style in it is exactly the same as the above. This is just an image, which is exactly the same as this. If we click here, see the only thing that changes, and when it on the left hand side here, clicking it, the only thing that changes is the image because it's the same kind of widget. We scroll down here, you're going to click here, click on the row. There you've got the blue there. Here's the column here. There's the heading. This is a shortcode, which is in a text editor. This is another text editor, just like that. Here is another column that we've made a bit thinner, which is again a text image, which is brought in your man here. Join the club. This is again heading. This is text. And this is an email form, which is set up to send you an email. Here is your frequently asked questions. Again, it's a heading. I'm going to come down here. Now we've got a toggle. So now how long is the term? So you click down there. Again, it's very similar. There you go there. Months, but can be changed, for example. As you can see, it is there. Now the way you do that here is the same thing. Let's say you want to add another 3. Instead of adding a new item, this and that, what you can do is you can actually duplicate this item. And there you go, just like that. Scroll down. Again, this is the same image here. It's a heading. This is a text, same as these. This is just a heading again. Scroll down here. Again, this is what we've done here is I've now, just to make it not so long, it's a text editor, but the columns here, we can make it 3, just like that, or 1. Here is a button, which is apply now, which will be linked to your registration form. And that is how you'd edit your front page.